Hey guys, welcome back to Island Girls Kitchen. And this morning what I'm making is my cappuccino. And the coffee I'm using is Java Zen and is organic with matcha green tea and 100% coconuts. Now the first step in making my cappuccino is I will pour this water in the reservoir. But what I must tell you is I doubled the amount of water that I need for the espresso because I need a half of it to steam my milk. Close it tight. This will take about 3 scoops or 3.5. And you just want to make sure it's packed nice and tight. What we'll do is we will put it under here and just turn and lock. Next I'll turn my espresso steam knob to my espresso and then on. My non-dairy coconut milk, and I will need about 3/4 of a cup. You just want to put the tip of this a little down and tilt it halfway like that, and then and frothy. And for some extra deliciousness, we're gonna put some ice cream in this. And what I'm using is my cashew non-dairy ice cream. A little salted caramel. Thanks for joining in the kitchen. And remember, if you like what I'm cooking, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram at islandgirl_kitchen.